It's hard for the employers and the employee who wants the job and wants to start, they got to wait a couple weeks. And now technology's improved such that saliva testing are just as accurate and so on.
Senator John Marty says he first heard from a constituent about oral fluid testing. The up and coming method of drug testing detects metabolites of certain drugs in a person's saliva, and it's much quicker than the traditional alternative.
Because I can do it right away and half an hour later I can start work. Otherwise, I got to wait 2 weeks and a lot more expense and everything else.
Starting in August, employers will have the option to use oral fluid testing. It's a newer technology, so some employers may choose to use the more traditional drug testing options, but Representative Kelly Moeller, who also worked on the bill, says that's perfectly fine.
It's just opening the door. The state's not requiring any particular kind of company. It's my understanding there are a couple of different companies out there that offer these tests. So it'll be up to the employers to figure out who they want to work with.
The new law only applies to new employers, but it's worth noting that the Minnesota State Patrol is currently piloting the tests as a way to test for roadside impairment. Mueller says they're unrelated.
This has nothing to do with the roadside testing for cannabis. This is just for employers who are doing these tests.
That said, Marty expects the new tests to become more widely used as they gain recognition.
And I expect more of this kind of thing to happen because it's so quick and inexpensive and it's just as reliable.
Reporting in St. Paul, I'm Quinn Gorham.